Hey guys, I hope you're well. I did want to tell you today, one of the presentations, there was such rich discussion, and the discussion was mainly around data. Thinking of ways that we can pick maybe 1 to 2 or 3 data points and have that be a focus for the year. Many times the district sets a focus, whether it be math or reading, whatever it is. I try to align the data points around the district because that comes with funding and resources. And then thinking about what within the subject area that has been funded can we track. And the power is in tracking the 3 data points, because from that, you get a collaborative effort on how we can track what it looks like in individual grade levels, which system are we going to use to track the data. So thinking about maybe if we are, as a school, going to track reading, are we going to track in K2, maybe fluency of sounds, letters, are we going to track comprehension? Are we going to use NWEA tests? And then what LMS or what system are we going to use to track? What does it look like once we've tracked the data? Where are we going to post it? How do we communicate the 3 points that we're tracking with our parents and families? How are students involved in tracking those areas? And do students know their success rate? Are they growing? Or is there some area that they need to work on with their families, right? Having those open dialogues, those open lines of communications with families. I hope that just gives you a glimpse of how powerful PD can become when you are collaborating with a group of leaders. All right, talk to you later. Bye.